Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. So in today's video I'm going to share this reverse cut eyeliner look. This is one of my favorite eye makeup and this is in hot trend now. So I thought to share my tips, tricks and all the steps with you guys. So guys, if you want to learn how I achieve this reverse cut eyeliner look, then please keep watching this video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and if you want more such videos from my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring the bell button so that whenever I upload any new videos you can get notified about it. So guys, chalo start karte hain aaj ke video. So to begin with, I'm going to set the concealer which I applied on my eyelid to discoloration over there, and I'm going to set the concealer with a loose finishing powder, and here I'm using a fluffy blending brush to apply the same. Although today I don't need to do much on my eyelid, but I want some depth and warmth on my eyelid. So for that I am applying this warm matte brown shade to define the crease. You can use any warm color, even a bronzer can be used to define your crease. Now to get a seamless blended crease color, top of the brown color, I am running through my previous blending brush with no additional product in it. Now for this look, first I need a gel eyeliner. यहाँ पे मैं use कर रही हूँ this black gel eyeliner from Morphe. As usual, all the product details will be listed down below in the description box. You can check that out from there. And with this angular brush, I'm gonna draw the eyeliner. In the first step, I'm taking very little amount of product. Then I'm going to draw a inner wing or inner corner liner, whatever you call it, and with a very steady hand I'm drawing it. Then I'm going to draw the outer wing. Same tip here as well. You want a very little amount of product first. Later on you can build up the thickness according to your choice. How to make both of the wing equal and balanced, look at the mirror like so, and then decide how far you want your wing to extend looking at the other eye. I hope it does make sense. This is how I make my eyeliner look equal and balanced. After that, I'm gonna bring the kajal or eyeliner onto the outer lower lash line, and at the same time I'm going to tight line my upper lash line. Now I'm going to use this kajal pencil for the middle part of my lower lash line, or you can say for the inner lower lash line, and this is from Faces Canada. I love this particular kajal pencil because firstly it glides on your eyelid super smoothly, flawlessly, and it's a jet black kajal. Now to set the kohl onto the entire lower lash line, I'm going to apply a matte black eyeshadow top of that, and with the help of a small little brush like so, I'm applying the same and blend the kajal at the same time. You can stop here, but if you want to give a pro touch to this look, use a warm brown shade to smudge the lower lash line even more. Here I am using the same brown eyeshadow which I used onto my crease area, and with a medium blending brush / crease brush I am applying the same. Now to deepen up the inner and outer wing, I am reapplying the gel eyeliner, but this time using a very precise eyeliner brush which can give you more control while you are applying the product. For any kind of smoky look, your under eye should be brighter and clean. So here I am applying a banana shade pressed powder to stand out the darkness of the lower lash line. In the last step of this look, you have to apply loads of mascara, but beforehand you need to curl up your lashes, and the mascara which I'll be using in this look is from Makeup Revolution, one of my favorite mascara. Later on in this video I'm going to apply false eyelashes, but it's an optional step. If you are not comfortable wearing false eyelashes, you can skip the step totally. To outline my lips today, I am using this lip liner from Essence. It's called Stay 8 Hour Lip Liner, and it is in the shade Because Duh. It's a very affordable product. I guess it's below $3 product, and I just love the shade and how it glides on my lips super flawlessly and smoothly. And for my inner lips, I'm going to use the lipstick from Wet n Wild, which is called High Shine Brilliance, and it is in the shade Matte for Mauve. I love the lip combo, and for this kind of smoky eye look, this type of nude shade goes really well. Voila, this is my final look. Festive season is just around the corner. Keeping in that mind, I gave this look a Indian traditional touch so that you can recreate this look in upcoming festive season. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and like this look. If so, please give this video a huge big fat thumbs up. Share this video, share my channel with every makeup lover, everyone out there. So guys, I'll be back here soon with another exciting video. Until then, stay happy, stay beautiful, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye guys.